It's alright though. See you soon. Bye-bye. Hi, welcome to Pictures, Notes and Words. I'm Hedgy, and this is Scardust. Take that out of my ear, that would help. Really sounds weird, doesn't it, talking with earphones in. Song called Tantibus II, and it's off this album, Strangers, which is not out yet. It's out. No, it is out. It's out. It very end of October came out. So I had an email, he says, looking for it, from Thomas Holtzlein. Sorry if I've mangled your name. Who basically said, we did Scardust a year ago. This is true. We did. Paz and I. Remember Paz? In the days when people could meet. And he thought we were not overly enthusiastic. Well, Thomas, I went back and looked at that video, and actually I thought we really quite liked it. We just found it, there were so many changes in the song, it was hard to get a grip of. So it wasn't that we didn't like it or anything like that. I think we did like it. I think we were totally impressed with it. It's just, it's not a sing-along kind of song, you know? But anyway, he's saying, give them another shot. They've got a new album out. I'm paraphrasing. This isn't how he wrote it. So they got this new song. Here we go. Tantibus II from this new album. So these guys are from Israel, and they had a singer that was amazing, right? Just an amazing voice that could go, frankly, anywhere she wanted it to go. And they play pretty technical, proggy stuff. Maybe this one's all acoustic versions of Carpenter's songs. I don't know. Probably not. But like I say, I have not heard this. I am interested to find out, because it wasn't that we disliked the other one. It was just hard work. So, let's find out.
Just to realize I woke up to a dim grey world, and soon I closed my eyes. Once again in a dream I had it all, standing tall, and now I fall into hibernation, the safety of my own creation. I run away to where I'm free fell, far in a place that I can't leave behind. I run away to
I've not changed my mind. It's like a band that writes songs to try and keep its audience at arm's length. So you've got like the super technical, and then you've got a clean section that sounds like a Disney song, and then you go all death metal while still being technical, and then you jump somewhere else, and then you jump back, and then you... It's quite a bitty song, you know, and it's one that... It's not one you're going to dance around your kitchen listening to, is it? Not, it's probably not trying to be, but it's one that you'd have to literally sit there and probably close your eyes and kind of go, okay, I'm listening, da, 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 da. But the clean Disney part almost is the undoing of the song. It's such a difference between the... I mean, it's like la 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 la, and those two audiences, I think, are quite far apart. I'm not saying people aren't out there that like all that stuff. You know, people buy their albums and go and see these people live. I get it, but there must be a fair kind of minority of people that like such a juxtaposition. And also, it didn't seem long enough. I'm wondering whether it's like a, you know, if you listen to the album, does it just slot in nicely between other songs? And again, I said this last time when Paz and I talked about Scardust last time. It sounded like a song taken out of the middle of some other songs, whereas you listen to this as in one go and it all kind of works and flows together. And maybe those clean parts from this song are a theme in the album or something like that. It makes more sense as part of the album. I don't know. But as a standalone song, which is all I've got, 3 minutes 40 seconds, there's too much in that 3 minutes 40 seconds, and the parts that there are so different that they kind of... I struggle with it as a song. I can watch it as a demonstration and see what's going on, and she definitely has a versatile voice. And the band are clearly all great musicians and everything. But it's a bit like it's been cut together from different things, you know. And I like prog stuff. I like technical stuff. I like all of that. This one, I don't know. It's the second time I've heard stuff from this band. I mean, that's their thing. It's like listening to Unexpect. If you've never heard of a band called Unexpect, they don't exist anymore. Go and find their stuff. It's in that genre, that definitely very quirky, you have to pay attention to get anything out of it genre. Okay, there you go. Thanks for suggesting it, Thomas. He's probably not so keen now that he suggested it. It's, again, it is not that I do not like this. It's just that I find it hard work. That's it. I keep sliding down in my chair as well. Anyway, that's not important right now. Let me know what you think, people, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.